Hi, this is Jade from Cosy Property. Today we're going to be showing you a top floor south-facing apartment with a large roof terrace. The urbanisation consists of 3 large swimming pools with natural grass where you can enjoy the Mediterranean lifestyle. Here is one of the swimming pools, so come and take a closer look at the apartment. As you enter the property, you will see that you have a large terrace here. It's divided into 2 spaces. One is a glassed-in terrace and one is the open terrace, which you also have the pergola, which you can close in all the walls for comfort and no matter the season. And from the glazed-in terrace, you have access to the property, so come and see. Inside, the property offers a cozy living room. With an open plan kitchen, perfect for a relaxed and comfortable environment. The property consists of 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. The main bedroom has afternoon sun. And the second bedroom is south-facing. The property is ideal for holiday rentals, holiday yourself, or all year round living. And from the kitchen, you'll find a stairway that leads up to the roof terrace, which is the highlight of the apartment. Here you will find an outdoor kitchen and a jacuzzi area. This is a perfect area to entertain and have fun with family and friends. The property has been significantly upgraded in the recent years. It is sold fully furnished with appliances and has air conditioning installed. The property is located in prime location. It's very close to the Park and Nation. It's about 10 minutes walk to the Habanera shopping centre, to Aquapolis the water park, and the market on Friday mornings. You're also only about 1.5 kilometers walk to the famous Playa de Cura and about 10 minutes walk to the beach. So you're close to everything. There is public transport in the area also. If you're looking for an investment opportunity, this urbanisation also allows rentals. The only thing is they do charge a 20% increase on the common expenses during the year. So contact us now if you want to view the property.